You don't kill my brother, they tell me rubbish. Don't bother you. Mona, come on, don't kill my brother. You say what? You say nothing. You don't kill my brother, Mona, come.
This matter no go far.
Man, you them mad. You them mad.
Man just packing 20k for you, I beg.
You say what?
Man just paying 20k, I beg.
You the Chris, what you get for human being life? For breadwinner.
What is going on here?
I know they collect 20k. What's your problem?
I beg.
You the Chris.
Hey, you know it, man just packing 50k for you, I beg.
You get luck.
I beg.
Fast say down.
What account number?
91.
Don't send me.
Carry your baby, come up here. I don't want to see what this day again. No. Or they drive anyhow.
Get up. Right up and walk.
I think see this business will work.
You don't confirm the alert.
You are good, don't worry.
Now me get lion share for this one. Now me die like that. Now me die now. Okay, now me die.
Next time you go.
Solo, my mind not carry this thing. This mission, so I dey fear. I just dey tell you my mind now.
Baba, you relax now. Which kind pattern, bro? This kind one. Na very simple thing. Once any motor they come, I go just jump enter. The motor go jam me.
Now you go jump enter.
Now me go enter, no worry.
Bam.
Okay. Once I enter the motor, just jam me. Once it jam me, you go rush come out, pick cut chain.
But you tell me say na back. Now you see.
Yeah.
Now you want to use motor to this test. You know, I reason this thing now. Move find back.
Baba, life na risk. You have to take a bigger risk for better result. If bike we collect 50k, why if you say motor no give us 500,000? Relax, you won't carry the phone. If I go now, once it's off, come out, you can come change it.
You don't keep person. Solo. Oga, you don't keep my brother. Oga, you don't keep person like this. Now so now go to drive anywhere, they drive speed. This small road, they drive anywhere like this.
I beg. See, I be important member for this community. I no want dent my image. I go fit do anything. I beg because of God.
I don't want to hear anything when you talk. Everything when you talk now, your own. You are your own. If you want me to you die here like this, you give me 500k.
For what?
One line only for inside.
Well, for 500k.
You don't be for you na danger.
Open 22 33 46 down.
Don't send down.
May I see for this area again? Oga move. They go back. I don't want to see you. They go. You they go like that. Jesus. So that I fire you. So that I'm gonna kick you for the.
I no tell you say this business na correct business. You know say as you enter. Now you go dey believe in me, oh. You go dey believe in me, oh. If I make the transfer now, I collect my percentage.
Solo. Stand up, move they go.
Okay, see me here now. Which one be you?
Are you
Solo?
playing? What type of play is this?
Solo. Solo.
I said some of the youths are lazy.
How are you?
Fine.
How you doing?
I miss you so much. I'm okay. I need to come home last night and you didn't call me. You call me.
I actually forgot. Sorry. Hope you slept well.
Yeah, Dave, I miss you. I know that you too. Me too. Babe, what's this? Babe, since when did you start wearing this drink?
I actually bought it for you. I said I should help you test it.
Don't tell me that! You know I don't wear G-string.
Yes.
Ever since we met, I've never worn G-string all my life. Babe! Start speaking. Oh my goodness.
Calm down now. It's just not very
Calm down over what? Where did you get G-string from? Oh, this one wants me to fall down this house. Oh my goodness. Stop talking.
We must
Stop talking.
I bought it.
Babe, stop talking. I'll finish if you don't tell me you got G-string from.
Oh.
This man. You want to please others and displease yourself.
I need a better explanation about this G-string. Else this has not contained the both of us. Better start.
Husband Husbands on the run.
To God be the glory.
Husbands on the run.
To God be the glory. We no go.
He who fights and run away
Live to fight another day.
All right, gentlemen. All of us see the message where our brother Senator sent give us for group chat. Yes. He's in a very critical situation and he needs rescue. So we need to turn off our member because an injury to one
is an injury to all.
An injury to one
is an injury to all.
Without wasting time, let's go and rescue our brother Senator. The rescue team, we are active.
Yes.
Let's go.
Move.
I've explained to you now. What do you want me to explain? Give you again.
Thank God your friends are here.
Let them come.
Brother Solo, welcome. Thank you. I appreciate the fact that you are here. Can you imagine your friend came home this morning with G-string on his waist? He did not sleep the access today. And I've been asking him how come about this G-string. No reasonable explanation. Brother Solo, can you imagine? Can you do that to your wife?
Why you go calm down now?
Don't tell me to calm down. Don't tell me to calm down. Can you do that to your wife?
Now this thing when they do, when I take turn all of us to woman apart.
Yes.
Today now our World G-Street Day for husbands on the run.
Yes.
Somebody your husband together. Yeah. Let me show your own.
Jesus.
Show your own. Somebody you show your own. See. Let my way look. See am. We are tired.
G-string go here.
Give me some.
Officer.
Madam, may they give us our small thing now.
Officer, na still dey collect small thing.
The home, man.
Okay, now my find small thing, give officer. Manage this one.
They go. I down.
Mr. Man, what is happening?
Please, sir, I am very, very sorry, sir. Please, I am very, very sorry. Please, it's a faulty brake. The car have a faulty brake. I am very, very sorry. And moreover, it's my wife's car.
Oh, your wife?
Yes.
And not them. No, women, they are always like that. You know, their eye is just to kick the vehicle and move. You don't have time to check, brake or anything. Please, you as a man, you're supposed to help her check this vehicle. Gauge water and every other thing. Please always do that. Make she not go use this motor, carry your children, go hit for road, which that would be a very sad one. Please,
please,
help her fix them,
I'll do that. I'm trying to do that now. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, sir.
Yeah.
You're a kind man. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Thank you.
Madam, please, learn to check your vehicle always,
Yes, sir.
All right. Okay, my brother.
Thank you very
See
much, sir. Yes. Thank you.
What's up? Oga.
Hey, officer.
Yeah, now.
Me na the control road way now, See how that man just hit me just now.
Oga, I love the way you handle the station maturedly. You're a very matured man.
Thank you.
You handled it very well. If to say a woman now, you could just say, yeah, people for free here.
Not to worry, just a little bash on the vehicle, so not be big deal, you know. So I'll just take it to my mechanic and they will fix it.
May they give us a small thing now, Oga?
Sure. Not so that they do good work for this road. May I come down, find you small thing, now they try.
What's it with that?
Oga, this one, Oga.
So, is this the job you were employed to do? Collecting money from commuters and road users? I'm going to use the two of you as a scapegoat to tell other corrupt officers that this is not the job you were employed to do. And also to correct the bad impression you are giving the public about the force. Two of you going for it. Especially you. You are holding Kobo. And for you, I'm going to make sure that this uniform is removed from you. Oh yeah, move! Move!
Thank you, my Lord. Thank you for saving me.